Hi, it's Amanda the Nail Polish Hound and welcome to my project polish for 2024. So I'm going to be bringing in 11 polishes to begin with, and I'll bring in some more during the course of the year as I finish them up. We got some polishes carrying over from last year's project. The first one of those is Mulled Wine by Polish Me Royalty. I have got about a third of the bottle done on this one, about 2/3 to go, and hopefully I'll manage to get this done by the end of the year. It's not a polish that I'll reach for frequently though, so it might take me most of the year to get through it. And here's where we're starting off. So I do remark all my bottles at the beginning of a new year. The next one rolling over is Sister Chic's 24 Karat Grey. Absolutely love this sort of purpley grey colour with a silver shimmer in it. It's a nice classic chic colour, and here is where we're starting this year. My next one rolling over is Barry M's Elderberry. And I do love this colour, but I don't wear blues too often. But when I do love this one, and I'm going to be reaching for it quite a lot. So here's where we're starting with this one this year. Also rolling over is ILMP's Daisy Jane. I'd really hoped that I was going to finish this one off last year, but I didn't quite make it. There's probably about a couple of manicures left in this bottle because it does take 3 coats to become opaque. Very pretty pink with those tiny micro holographic glitters in it, just lifting it to make it something a little bit special. And here's where we're starting this year. Then we have got Essence Crunchy Cake. This is another sort of neutral polish. Do choose polishes that I think I'm going to be able to wear a lot on the whole, so that I have a good chance of getting through them. Here's where we're starting this year with this one. The second to last one rolling over is Skyrim by Polish Me Royalty. Polish Me Royalty were the first indie brand I really bought a lot of, so they're some of my oldest polishes and I really want to try and use them up. So here's where we're starting with Skyrim this year. Last one rolling over is Essence We Go Together. This polish is a little bit darker on the nail and a lot more brown leaning on the nail than it is in the bottle. It's not my favourite polish, but it's good for work, so I'm going to carry on using this one, and this is where we're starting at the beginning of this year. So we've also got some new polishes coming into the project. The first is another Essence. This one's called Powder Room Party, and I always like to have a sort of pale tan beige colour in my project polish because I think it makes a really good everyday polish. Although it says gel nail colour on the cap, this is not a gel nail polish. This is just a normal nail polish. I've no idea why they do that. But anyway, this is where we're starting, right at the top of the bottle. It's never been used. The next one might surprise a few people. It's a hollow taco, and it's scattered hollow taco. So with my project polish, I don't choose polishes just to pan them for the sake of them. I don't hate pan anything. I choose polishes that I think I'm genuinely going to want to wear quite a lot. And this is a polish I like to wear a lot. It's my favourite scattered holographic topper. Little micro holographic glitters and nicely distributed in the base, just the right amount for my tastes. So I'm going to enjoy using this one because I can still get it and replace it. Next up, can you guess what this one is? It is in fact Max Factor's Fantasy Fire, the original version with Unicorn Pea pigment in it. This particular bottle has faded a little bit, so I want to use it up before it fades even more. I do have another bottle that hasn't faded, so I'm happy to use this one up, and it still does have a pretty finish to it. I can never quite get the full range of the colours on the nail that you get in the bottle that you can see in this picture here. And then finally we have Birthday Suit by Barry M. This is just a sheer pink, but it's always useful to have one of those in the project because I do use it when I do negative space nail art. It's also nice to have if you want a not wearing nail polish, your nails but better kind of look. So there you have all of the polishes in my project polish so far for this year. I update this project every 2 months, so I hope I'll see you then. Bye!